Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Fabiha on the behalf of English In.
Today I am very excited.
As you know that English In Institute is organizing the
celebrate
5th
annual function.
Celebration.
So let's meet there. Don't miss this opportunity.
We are so much excited to tell you, and the students are so much excited to be the part of this function.